Welcome to YouTube channel. Please subscribe.
Quantum computing is a revolutionary approach to computation, harnessing the principles of quantum mechanics. Unlike classical computers that use bits 0 south and 1 south to process information, quantum computers use quantum bits or qubits. Imagine a spinning coin. Well, a classical bit must be either heads or tails. A qubit can be both simultaneously, thanks to a phenomenon called superposition. This allows quantum computers to process vast amounts of data at once. Another key principle is entanglement, where qubits become interconnected and the state of one instantly affects the other, no matter the distance. This leads to increased computing power. For example, in drug discovery, quantum computers can analyze molecular structures in ways previously thought impossible, potentially leading to breakthrough medications. In cryptography, they can crack codes in seconds that would take classical computers millennia. However, it's still early days, and researchers are working on making quantum computers more accessible and practical. In essence, quantum computing promises to redefine the boundaries of what's computable, opening doors to countless possibilities.